Here we have a sharp window air conditioner in my room. This is not original to the apartment. Originally there's this White-Westinghouse air conditioner that's like this, that's pretty much identical to this, which I'll make a video of later on. You can see the White-Westinghouse is bigger. So unfortunately, the two White-Westinghouses that we had, well, the two of them that he had, this one and that one in my brother's room, broke down. And then for some reason the coils worked, the compressor worked, I think, but I could hear the compressor working, but the vanes worked, the oscillating vanes worked. These worked. But somehow the fan motor stopped working. Oh, I forgot, I better close the door. I'm going if that happened again. By the way, I'm just gonna turn this to high for a while, and I'll turn it off just before I demonstrate this unit. But anyway, so that's pretty much it. The fan motor stopped working, so we just went the cheap way and replaced it. So, and the other one is, hopefully the other one is up and running somewhere with a new fan motor. We just replaced them. Fortunately, maybe I told them that it's just more sensible to replace the fan motor. That's it, and then it'll be better. But then they said it's just cheaper to replace, and we did replace, and hopefully they're because the same person who installed our ceiling fans told us it's cheaper to replace. So hopefully whoever took out the old one put it to use somewhere. And by the way, these are energy efficient. These are energy efficient for 1 out of 5. As in 1 most efficient and 5 least efficient. So these are pretty energy efficient compared to the other ones. So anyway, let's measure it. I don't know how big it is, but it's 17.5 inches. About width, and diagonally it's about 22 inches. Width is about 13.5 inches, about 14 inches. Vent is about 8 inches. Width of the vent is about 5 inches. Yeah. And the actual opening is about 23 inches by 17 or 18 inches. I'm not sure exactly. Yeah. But that's about it. Now, first of all, before we fire the unit up, I'll show you inside. Yeah, I really have got to get a camera stand someday. Better not use it, don't want to disturb you on the video. Yeah, there it is. Then it just comes off there. There's an energy label right here, but they took it off when they were installing it. Here's the cooling coils. And hopefully you can see a squirrel cage blower, but I doubt it. Condensation fan, which does let the water flow out. Doesn't collect water like the humidifier fans are. The water drains out of them. Actually, sorry, they do collect water, but the water is drained out. Yeah, put it back. So anyway, there it is. First of all, let's set it the fan. By the way, let's confirm that this will work. Yes, it will work. Let's set the fan. Wait, let's make sure it's fully spin. It's spin down. By the way, I forgot to show you. There's a squirrel cage blower inside. Yeah, okay, I forgot to show you a couple of things. There's the outside bit with the compressor and stuff. Yeah, my videos are becoming more and more detailed. 5 minutes already and I still haven't turned this thing on. Outside. This is how it looks. This is a massive fan, by the way. I'm gonna discuss this in a separate video. Yeah, that's pretty much it. Let's turn it on. Okay, air. Let's turn this to low and let's see how much it puts out. Now, what I'll do is I will turn off the wait, there's a vent here by the way for, you know, if you want fresh air in, you open it. Don't want it, close it. I just tend to keep it open for the sake of ventilation. Even though air conditioner companies keep saying not to turn it on, to open it when it's set to air conditioner, but in my experience it's been okay. But it's not okay out here. Don't actually feeling. Oh, there it is. Oh. Whatever. Now let's set it to low cool. By the way, fan is equivalent to medium cool without the coils. Now let's set it to low cool. First of all, I'll turn off the thermostat and set it to low cool. Set it to low when it's just fan. Medium is pretty much the same because this is the same as this basically. High is high basically. Putting out great air. Since I didn't do an airflow test while it's on high, we'll do it now. This video is getting longer and longer by the minute. Bring out okay air. Let's spin it down. Just turn the oscillation just for the sake of it. Startup sound. Okay. Let's turn it off. Low cool and turn on the thermostat. I just wanted to wait for it to stop too. Which tells me that it should have shown the spin down now. I just wasted some time. But just so you won't get bored, I'll show you the spin down again. Let's stop. It's low cool. That feels nice. It really does. Outside sound. It's still much cooler outside than inside. But I don't want to open the windows in my room because my room is sensitive to humidity and it's quite humid outside still, even though it's already windows not that foggy anymore. It'll probably get foggy later on. Medium cool. High cool. And something that let's just set it like low cool and let's see how it does when it off and back on again. Which I know is not good for the machine, but rest of the video, it should be fine. Just usually leave the vents up, oscillating, low. So I usually set it to 7 in summer. And it's usually on as well. We're gonna be here a while. This is gonna be like that for a few more minutes. Oh well. But kicked on already. Interesting. But anyway, for the sake of the environment, let's turn it off. Wait, first. Outside sound on high cool. I actually think it did. So here's the outside sound on high cool, medium cool, low cool. Turn off the coils. High cool, medium cool, low cool. Briefly starting up. Oh, whoa. I'm not supposed to do that. Mess with the thermostat back down. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed this 12-minute video. Did I forget to show anything? No, I hope I didn't, but I don't think so. But anyway, there you go. Thanks for watching.